Welcome to part 5 of Back to Basics Canning, where we're talking about the difference between water bath canning and pressure canning. Water bath canning and pressure canning have the same outcome, to can food to make it shelf stable. We'll talk about the foods that can be water bath canned versus the foods that should be pressure canned. Let's go!
The basic premise of canning revolves around the boiling point of water. The boiling point of water under normal conditions is around 212 degrees Fahrenheit or 100 degrees Celsius. When water bath canning, a large pot with a metal rack on the bottom is filled in order to cover jars with 1 to 2 inches of water. As the jars process at this temperature, pathogens that may reside in the jar are killed, a vacuum is created, and food becomes shelf stable. This method of preserving is safe for high acid foods. Now, when looking at pressure canning, a pressure canner is needed, which is different than a pressure cooker or an Instant Pot. When pressure canning, only a portion of the pot is filled with water. Usually it's about 2 to 3 inches, but check your owner's manual to confirm. Food is then loaded into the pressure canner and a lid is secured in one of a variety of ways. Once the lid is secured, pressure builds within the vessel. This pressure changes the boiling point of water to 240 to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is needed because low-acid foods can harbor pathogens like Clostridium botulinum, and Clostridium botulinum requires higher temperatures to eradicate. By selecting the appropriate canning method, either water bath canning or pressure canning, you can ensure that pathogens that may have resided on the food that you canned are no longer in the jar. But as mentioned previously, the outcome is the same. The foods become shelf stable because a vacuum is created. So in summary, a water bath canner reaches temperatures around 212 degrees Fahrenheit and is safe for high acid foods, whereas a pressure canner reaches much higher temperatures of 240 to 250 degrees and is safe for low acid foods. Low acid foods include things like dried beans, meats of all varieties, stocks and broths, and non-pickled fruits and veggies, like beets, green beans, and potatoes. High-acid foods that are safe for water bath canning include jams, jellies, and fruit butters, pie fillings, fruit pieces, lemon curd, and a large variety of pickled items like your standard pickles, relish, and pickled peppers, as well as all of your favorite tomato products like ketchup, pizza sauce, and pantry staples like diced tomatoes and tomato sauce. Other items that can be water bath canned include things like hot sauces, barbecue sauce, fermented items like sauerkraut, and even applesauce. If you like this content, don't forget to follow us. Happy canning!